Many coffee enthusiasts struggle to find the perfect espresso machine that fits both their budget and brewing preferences. With so many options out there, it can be easy to invest in a machine that simply doesn't meet your needs. That's why today, we're diving into a comparison of the top 5 espresso machines available on Amazon in 2026. From compact designs to high-performance models, these machines cater to a range of tastes and lifestyles, with the #1 pick promising to revolutionize your mornings. Stay tuned to see which one might just be your new favorite coffee companion. Don't forget, links in the description for current prices. And make sure to subscribe for more insightful reviews. CHULUX Slim Espresso Machine. The CHULUX Slim Espresso Machine is an excellent choice for those with limited kitchen space but a big love for espresso. With its compact design, this machine fits neatly on countertops without taking up too much room, making it perfect for small apartments or dorms. It features a 15-bar pump system that delivers rich and flavorful espresso shots with a creamy layer of crema, ensuring a delightful coffee experience every time. Users appreciate its simple one-button operation, which makes brewing espresso quick and hassle-free. However, while it excels in making espresso, it may lack some advanced features like a built-in grinder, which could limit options for true coffee connoisseurs. SHARDOR Espresso Machine 20 Bar. Next up, the SHARDOR Espresso Machine 20 Bar provides a great balance of performance and affordability. This machine boasts a powerful 20-bar pressure system, which extracts coffee with exquisite flavor and aroma. Ideal for both beginners and more experienced users, it features a user-friendly interface and a steam wand for frothing milk to perfection, allowing you to create delicious lattes and cappuccinos. Many users highlight its durable construction and ease of cleaning, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. However, some have noted that the water reservoir can be slightly small, requiring more frequent refills for larger coffee sessions. AMZCHEF Compact Espresso Machine 20 Bar. Ranked #3 is the AMZCHEF Compact Espresso Machine 20 Bar, which is perfect for coffee lovers seeking versatility in a compact package. This machine not only delivers professional quality espresso, but also features a built-in milk frother, making it easier to whip up your favorite cafe-style beverages at home. With a 20-bar pump, it ensures optimal extraction for a full-bodied coffee experience. Users love its sleek design and intuitive controls, which simplify the brewing process. However, while it's a fantastic all-rounder, some users have mentioned it can be a bit noisy during operation, which might be a concern for those who prefer a quieter machine. Spacekey Espresso Machine. The Spacekey Espresso Machine stands out for its innovative design and impressive features, making it a fantastic option for those serious about their coffee. It offers precise temperature control and pressure regulation, ensuring that every shot of espresso is brewed to perfection. This machine is ideal for both home baristas and casual coffee drinkers due to its straightforward operation and customizable settings. Many users appreciate the quality of the espresso produced, as well as the machine's compatibility with various coffee types. However, it is worth noting that its price point is on the higher side, which might not fit every budget. Ninja Luxe Café Pro Series. Taking the top spot, the Ninja Luxe Café Pro Series is a game changer in the espresso machine market for 2026. This all-in-one machine goes beyond just brewing espresso. It allows users to create a wide range of hot and cold beverages, including creamy lattes, refreshing iced coffees, and even delicious brew-over-ice options. The integrated frother and adjustable brew strength settings provide flexibility for creating your perfect cup every time. Users rave about its rich flavor and the quality of the espresso shots, which rival that of coffee shops. While it does have a larger footprint compared to other machines, the comprehensive features and versatility make it an invaluable asset for any coffee lover's kitchen. So there you have it, our top 5 espresso machines for 2026. Each machine brings something unique to the table, catering to different preferences and brewing styles. Whether you're looking for compact convenience or professional-grade features, there's a perfect fit for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and more details. Hit that subscribe button for more reviews and coffee tips, and let us know in the comments which machine caught your eye.